Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if Samsung call ended after dialing. So to fix this problem, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know whenever I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn what you can do if call is ended after dialing.